Good morning, guys. Welcome to our
channel.
Good morning, and it's March 24th. It is
Happy birthday.
Ate's birthday. Alright, so it's Ate's 10th birthday. We are ready to go to church, but we are going to sing her a happy birthday first, and then we're gonna share our day adventure with you for our loving Ate. Okay, you ready, Ading?
Yeah.
Ready to sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, dear Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Faster. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. And what do you want to sing, Ading? Filipino.
Yeah.
Ready? Maligayang bati, maligayang bati. Louder. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Okay, make a wish, Ate. And then blow. Happy birthday! You want to open your present?
Okay. Yeah, can I open mine?
Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
You got
I
a
have it
Hachimal.
already. And the same dress as Eddie. I already saw this in the closet.
No, that was Ading's.
Huh?
Because Ading opened her present on February. Let me see.
Not to March.
There you go.
Whoa! Oops.
All right.
I broke it.
Okay. See you later.
Bye. Oh no! I
Now we're on the road to church. Hi, birthday girl. We got our chauffeur. Hello. On the way to church. So we're in now. We're in the basement. There's not much people yet, but I think we have a guest today. They're setting up down here. And we have a cafe there. Di ka nag-breakfast, ate?
Oo, nag-breakfast ka na.
Oo. It's called the Good News Cafe. Come on. Ayan. Busog na. Iikot namin kayo sa Ikea. Sikang may steak. So, dito sa Ikea, meron silang place for kids where you can leave your kids for 1 hour and you can go shopping. That's where they register them. So let's go up the market hall. Isn't this cute?
That way. That way. Follow that egg.
So they are on sale. You see most of this tags.
And how about each of us 2 minutes? That's my each of us 2 minutes. No, 2 minutes was fair. Because
Ano yan? Mangunguha ka ng gulay. Tara na sa bukid, mamitas ng gulay. 14.99. We are living room storage. TV bench. $9.99. So dito sa Ikea, paikot-ikot. Paikot ng paikot ng paikot ng paikot. And then yung display is on the side. Moving on to kitchen. That's their sale. Look how cute this setup is. Nice. That's the display. Sample ng kitchen. So if you want your kitchen to look like this, you just have to buy every piece. Because every piece has a price. Magsa-summer na. Pwede nang mag-sampay sa labas. Ito. Ipet. Sinong matapang?
Parang mas maganda yung puti, mami.
Meron silang puti. Ito ang binabalik-balikan ni James. It's an island you can put in the center of your kitchen. But never siya nag-sale. $599. Island. And then pwede siyang lagyan ng upuan sa other side. So you can have your breakfast. Or kung ikaw lang kakain, pwede ka na dun kumain. You can put 2 chairs. Sabi niya pag nag-sale bibilhin niya, pero isang taon na kaming pabalik-balik, hindi pa rin siya nagsasale. Good luck, James! Oh.
Garbage yun, mami.
It's for your laptop. So it has a cushion under. You can put it on your lap and then laptop on top. Dito tayo sa bedroom. Beautiful. If you have a baby, there's the crib and the walk-in closet. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang salamin.
Carry na lang. I don't want it to ano. Come on na, carry na lang ano.
Siyempre, pag may bata, hindi mawawala ang drama time. Oh, this is nice. I want those lights in my bed. Oh, this is nice one. You can put your shoes under, and then kids' backpacks and jackets. I think I'm gonna ask James for this one. There! Look at this one. It's
I
good.
like it.
Yeah, because may sabitan and then may lagyan ng shoes. Ay.
Ate, Alice turn na, ate.
Stuffy. We're children's. Peekaboo. You have all this kids mattress. $24.99 for that one. How about this animal print? 34. So it depends on the print. Look at this one. From the outer space. What price?
Wala yung dati na binibenta.
And they have night lights. Now if you're lonely or sad, here's a heart for you. Stuff. Sippy cup.
Ate. Yung palinis ng ano kami. Nandito yun.
Ribbit. Pero pag Pilipino, kokak. A doggy lunch box. This one is a bib. Pero all the way siya. Crib. And Ikea has a restaurant too. Restaurant and cafe.
Baka dito may straw, mami na ano. Usawan, suka.
$7.99 for a set of knives.
Or sa ate.
Here's the birthday girl. You done shopping?
We're almost gonna go to the restaurant after.
All right. We're going down to market.
Scrap. Wait, Adi.
Ha. Pang halo-halo, everyone. How much? How much? How much? Walang price?
So, tadi nga, yung mag-din. For coffee natin, oh.
Oh, they have some table chair covers over here.
$14.99 for a basket.
Oh, these are like, look at
It's
these.
a basket.
Look at these.
Well,
Oh, that's cute. And then nothing.
what do you put in it?
I don't know. It's the lid.
These are bath mats. I recommend this for bathroom kasi so you can wash it compared to the others. Yung may mga
Maganda yung
backlining na hindi mo pwedeng i-run sa washer. Ito is para siyang tuwalya lang. Kaya pwede mo siyang i-run sa washroom. Sa washer. Here. And it's on sale, so it's good. $6.99. Pili na, pili na.
Ikaw may radik.
What are those?
These boxes are on sale. $1.99.
Ate. Oh, mami. Anong klaseng rag yan? Ready na ako palitan yung isa ko.
This rug is only
Are you ready?
$16.99. And he's ready to get one. I don't know.
Where's the, Tading, ate.
Gusto ko yung maliit lang, daddy, na fluffy. Tapos sa center lang. Parang gagawin mo lang siyang design. Picture frame for wall project.
Oh, there's a light.
It's $9.99. Fake plants. sell plants too, flowering plants and pots and fake plants. We're going for checkout there.
I am.
So if you liked for furnitures from the display, kailangan mo kunin yung code, which is this one, sa display, and then dito mo siya hahanapin. This disassembled,
Ading.
and then it will lead to the checkout. That's where you pay. That is for the furnitures.
Ito mami puti sa sabi ko.
I don't think so. Washroom?
Where's my order?
So, yung Shurak
The car?
Shurak with
There's something different.
with a hallway chair na pwede mo na rin isabit yung mga backpacks and and jackets.
Tell me might break
Uh,
the car.
it is at aisle 30,
Don't try
bin
to make
18. So that's the aisle numbers. Over there is the 20th. So pumunta na dun yung asawa ko to check how big the box is, so that you know if it's gonna fit on your car or if you need delivery or something. So yeah, that's where you see the aisles, and then the bins are those cubes there, where you can see the boxes under, like that. So for now, chill muna.
I'm waiting for my order.
What did you order, madam?
6 barbecue.
Barbecue there?
And then ketchup, mustard, and pickles.
Really? So, check out na kami.
Stop it!
That is our tour
Look on the internet first.
here at Ikea. They are on sale March 14 to 24, 15% off. Look at that.
Mami, ito na yun. Parang kulang. Mas maganda.
Hello guys, I'm going to interrupt this video right now. Da-na-na-na-na. Hello. Hello camera, I'm going to take over this video but I'm cuter, of course.
It's blurred.
Oh, I'm blurred? No, I'm not. I'm shining.
Maganda na yan. Something like this, no?
Yeah, so sparkling fruit
I'm
drink,
in fun. It's my place.
apple, lingonberry, or pear,
I am the queen of the party.
$3.99.
For the soap.
I am the queen of the party. I'm
And look who
everywhere.
I found.
Of course, I'm everywhere, and I'm not blurred. I'm sparkling.
They have this pear drink,
No,
sparkling
they have
drink.
me here.
They're pretty good.
Hello, guys. Hello. Hello.
Pag uminom ka nito, mapapalingon sila.
Hello.
Apple and lingonberry.
I'll interrupt. Ah!
You're gonna print it out with paper that you have to scan. Otherwise, it won't go to the other website.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Right, that's our IKEA trip for today.
Yeah. Only the barcode. Okay.
They sell cinnamon buns for $3.99. 6 pieces in each box. They look like that. They look yummy. Sure are loads of sugar.
Let me do it.